You need to try this viral chocolate coconut ice cream. I tried it and I love it, and I'll be teaching you how to make yours. Hello Sweet Fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Boss, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make this famous chocolate ice cream. Do not forget to subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our recipes. These are the ingredients you need to make yours. That's our coconut milk, melted chocolate, our powdered milk, and our homemade condensed milk. If you want to know how to make this condensed milk, the video is up on my YouTube channel, and these are the ingredients you need. So in the blender, you're just going to add your coconut milk, after that you're just going to add your powdered milk, and then next step we're just going to add our homemade condensed milk. Then we're just going to cover this and allow it to blend until it is well combined together. After some seconds, I just stopped it, and this is what we have. So we're just going to turn this inside our bowl. Time for us to work with our chocolate. So I poured my chocolate inside this cup because I don't want it to be messy. So I'm just going to pour a little inside the nylon, as you can see, and after that I'm just going to flatten it to make sure the chocolate gets to almost all the parts, just like that. Then I'm going to repeat it again so you can see. Just add your chocolate inside the nylon again, then flatten it and make sure it gets to almost all the parts of the nylon. And this is what I'm just going to keep doing until I don't have any more nylon. So after that, I'm just going to allow it to sit for a few minutes, about between 5 to 7 seconds. And after that, I added my ice cream inside this bowl because I don't want it to be messy. I'm just going to pour inside, then tie up the nylon. You have to be careful if you're using the nylon because this nylon is very fragile. If you're not careful, it's just going to burst open. So this is what we have, and I'm just going to repeat the same thing. And after that, this is what we have. So I'm just going to put this inside the fridge and allow it to sit between 6 to 8 hours or until it is frozen. And after that, this is what we have. So let me know, my Sweet Fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to watch our other videos to learn how to make your easy and affordable recipe. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.